benefits. And he shovels it forward nicely. There's a slip from Irving. Shoot, he says. My goodness! What a goal! Benjamin Šeško does it again, and he does it with the outside of his boot. Is he offside? Doesn't matter. Didn't score. Oh, maybe they have. The flag stays down. Benjamin Šeško celebrates. A curious goal, but a goal nonetheless. Chaps seem to have done absolutely everything right.
Hesitancy from Stuttgart, and Benjamin Šeško in a rich vein of form.
For the intervention of Jeff Schab. Oh, but now Leipzig have a lifeline, courtesy.
Xavi in by round and tucked in for the game's opening goal for Leipzig by Benjamin Šeško.
Showing ambition, a Penda drawing a save from Old Black, and it's followed in. Benjamin Šeško shots Atletico
On his right foot, has a really good go. Šeško rounds off the half with a huge goal.
That's broken favourably for Nicholas Seiwald, and he's got it through for Šeško. Oh, what a hit! It's another super strike from Benjamin Šeško that has burst the back of the Frankfurt net.
Xavi, they've given him a lot of room. This is Šeško, doesn't need much at all. A finish that was cool, calm, accurate.
Can he level things up? Yes, he can. Straight down the middle. Very coolly.
Šeško, cool as you like. Leipzig back in front.
Chance taken with a flourish. A thump.